can't drift or glide, can't cut the ice right. The service is far in the twilight, so I craft my own under moonlight. Handcrafted tools from scraps I find, a glide and rhythm that's one of a kind. Spinning around in my makeshift shrine, under stars I see the edges shine. Makeshift sharpener in the night brings back the fire and the fight. Glide on ice under pale moon's light, dull no more blades swift and bright. Work of my hands though amateur, turn skating slow into quick allure. From stumbling steps to move so pure, in every scratch there's a new allure. No more waiting for the faraway shop, I bend and forge till I reach the top. Echo in the silence, a cling